President Marcos is challenging former Congressman Zaldi Ko to return to the Philippines and face the allegations against him. Marcos was reacting to the latest allegations made by Ko that he and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez received 56 billion pesos from kickbacks from budget insertions.
Mahaba nang naging mga usapan natin tungkol sa fake news. Anyone can go online and make all kinds of claims and say all kinds of things. Paulit-ulit. But there's it means nothing. For it to mean something, umuwi siya rito. Harapin niya yung mga kaso niya. Kung meron siyang gusto sabihin niya. Malalaman naman ng tao yan eh. Patunayan, but come home. Come home. Ba't ka nagtatago sa malayo? Ako, hindi ako nagtatago eh. Kung meron kang akusasyon sa akin, nandito ako.